Okay, kids, fill in the blanks with appropriate letters to make it a meaningful word. Okay, now let's start. The first one is A dash T. Which letter will come in this blank? Think. Yes, it's N. A N T. Ant. A N T. Ant. Now second one is H dash T. So think. Yes, it's A H A T. Hat. H A T. Hat. Next is B dash G. Yes, it's A B A G. Bag. B A G. Bag. Okay, next is F dash N. Which letter will come in this blank? Yes, it's A. F A N. Fan. It's F A N. Fan. Next is J dash R. Yes, it's A. J A R. Jar. J A R. Jar. Next is H dash N. Which letter will come in this blank? Yes, E. H E N. Hen. H E N. Hen. Next is B dash D. It's E. Yes, B E D. Bed. B E D. Bed. Next is B dash X. O. Yes, it's B O X. Box. It's B O X. Box. Next is B dash N. Think about the missing letter. Yes, it's U. B U N. Bun. It's B U N. Bun. Next is K dash Y. Yes, it's E. K E Y. Key. It's K E Y. Key. Next is C dash W. Yes, it's O. C O W. Cow. C O W. Cow. Next is B dash N. Think about the missing letter. Yes, it's I. B I N. Bin. B I N. Bin. Next is T dash P. Yes, it's A. T A P. Tap. T A P. Tap. Yes, now repeat all the words again and keep watching my channel for more fun activities.